Hello and welcome to the Infinitely Efficient Machines Lab. My name is Thane Hines, and this YouTube channel is dedicated to explaining infinitely efficient machines and why all electric motors in use on planet Earth today operate at infinite efficiency, and eventually how you can create your own electric generator that also operates at infinite efficiency. The topics that we're going to cover in the next weeks and months are the history of electricity and magnetism, and how electricity and magnetism was hijacked by Newtonian mechanics in the 1800s, and why Newtonian mechanics is not capable of adequately explaining electricity and magnetism. Newton's third law, Lenz's law, and the law of conservation of energy do not adequately explain the operation of an electric generator, for example. Why the law of conservation of energy does not apply in electromechanics. Why the law of conservation of energy is false. How and why energy can be created. And I should mention that the law of conservation of energy is fine in a purely Newtonian mechanics example, but in an electromechanics machine, a generator, a motor, a transformer, the law of conservation of energy absolutely does not apply. Why the global physics community is violating its own laws of physics in order to make electric machines conform to Newtonian mechanics. So we'll be discussing how the global physics community is basically fudging the books in order to get electric machines to conform to Newtonian mechanics, and it doesn't work. Why work cannot be performed without energy. Currently, the global scientific community will tell you that generator armature reaction, electric vehicle regenerative braking, which is negative work, can be performed without energy, and which is a violation of the work energy principle, and that's basically impossible. So the global physics community is violating laws of physics in order to explain faulty laws of physics, and we're going to basically expose how this faulty logic can be, how these falsehoods can be exposed. We will be talking about how energy is being created right now in every electric motor, every generator and transformer on the planet. Why all existing electric motors operate at infinite efficiency right now. Basically, an electric motor only has the capacity to convert electrical input power to heat, and the work that the mechanical output that is produced in an electric motor is being produced by magnetic field energy that's created, and we'll go through that in more detail. Why Faraday, Michael Faraday's first electric motor operated at infinite efficiency, and then also why every electric motor after that also operated at infinite efficiency. And again, this takes us back to how the Newtonian mechanics guys hijacked Faraday's discoveries and basically put them under the Newtonian umbrella and where they never should have gone. Why electric generators perform negative work with energy that's created. How the global scientific community has already proven that energy can be created, but why they're not able to see it, because they're looking through, let's say, through Newtonian mechanics glasses, and they can't see the true facts that are in front of them. So we'll be exposing that. Why electricity and magnetism needs to be divorced from Newtonian mechanics. How you can build your own electric generator that operates at infinite efficiency, and how we can use the created energy in generators and motors and transformers as a source of clean energy, and to power our electric vehicles and our electric machines, and help save the planet from global warming. So this is the introductory video, and the next video that's coming up is the history of electricity and magnetism, and we'll be starting with a look at Michael Faraday's first electric motor and why it operated at infinite efficiency. See you on the next video. Thanks.